What's the meaning of combination? Combination. Combination.
Combination. Combination. Combination refers to the arrangement of objects in a specific order, where the order of the objects does not matter. It is a mathematical concept that is commonly used in probability theory and statistics. In a combination, we are interested in calculating the number of ways an unordered selection of objects can be made from a larger set of objects. The result of a combination is a unique subset of objects that have been chosen without regard to their order. This is different from a permutation, where the order of the objects matters.